Hi everyone, my name is Lauren with Proline Range Hoods, and today I'm going to be discussing our policies on shipping. We do ship via FedEx Ground and FedEx Freight. Any hood that is 36 inches or smaller will ship FedEx Ground, and then any hood that is larger than 36 inches will ship FedEx Freight. The difference between the two is that ground shipments will ship on a smaller truck, typically ship a little faster than freight shipments do, and it will be delivered to your front porch. The freight shipments, on the other hand, are shipped on a larger truck, and the driver will call you to set up a delivery time to make sure that you are home to accept the shipment. One of the most important things to do upon receiving your range hood is to check it and inspect it to make sure that there's no shipping damage to the unit. If you find that there is any damage or there's anything not working properly, please call us within the first 14 days to report that. Within the first 14 days, you can return that free of charge with a full refund or exchange it for a brand new unit sent to you. After the 14 days, but within 30 days, if you choose to return the range hood, there will be a 20% restocking fee, and you will also be responsible for the return shipping to our warehouse. Here at Proline, we want to ensure that you have the smoothest experience possible. If you have any further questions or concerns, feel free to call us at 877-901-5530, or you can email us directly at support@prolinerangehoods.com.